The Careless Cleanup, written by Vetta to Give, illustrated by Seymour Good. In the land of the givers, where joy is in bloom, lived the loveliest bird with the messiest room. Franny loved all her games, her fun doodads and books, but she shoved those nice things into crannies and nooks. Franny, this is the day for new starts and clean floors. You can hang up your clothes. Or just stuff them in drawers. All your wonderful things, they need putting away. But Mom, I have band practice later today. My friend Penny has started a group with our pals. We all play ukuleles. We're the rockin' flop gals. Sweetie, that sounds amazing, but cleaning comes first. Okay, I will do it, but cleaning's the worst. Then the front doorbell rang. Hey, that's Penny, she's here. Hiya, buddy, hooray, Franny said with a cheer. Let me finish my cleaning. It won't take too long. Franny, this is a lot. Well, I guess you're not wrong, but I'll take just a sec. It's not bad. No big deal. Taking care of your stuff is no joke. It's for real. Maybe I should care more, but I couldn't care less. I'll just fling everything and get rid of this mess. Are you sure you should fling your nice things around in the air? Would you like to slow down and show a little more care? But the bird didn't hear. She was flinging away and missed out on the words that her friend had to say. Franny flung high and low. Yep, she flung far and wide. Her whole closet was full, front to back, side to side. She tried closing the door with a grunt and a wheeze. Penny, lend me a flipper and push, pretty please. Piece of cake. Easy peasy. My room's looking great. Say now, where's my uke? 'Cause I've made us run late. The birds looked all around. They looked under the bed, in the dresser, and bookcase until Penny said, do you think there's a chance that your uke is in here? I don't think so. I hope not, but that's my worst fear. If it is, then it's squished. And it's squashed. And it's smashed. And my hopes for my poor ukulele are dashed. Then they heard a low rumble, a grumble, a twang, coming deep from the closet where the clothes often hang. With a screech and a plonk and a thud and a thunk, that poor closet shot out a huge jumble of junk. Vroom! What was that? Her mom called. The girls' pals all rushed through. Fran was covered in playthings, and Penny was too. I made a mistake. I can see that right now. I thought caring for things was so silly somehow. But my thinker is thinking. I'm under this pile. If I don't change my ways, I'll be stuck for a while. When I care for my things, now it's easy to see that I'm caring for others and caring for me. Mom, forgive me? I do. I can make a new start, and I'm so sorry, gals. Now I can't play my part. My blue uke is a wreck, and our practice time's gone. I have so much to do here. You girls should move on. How about if we help? That's what feathered friends do. You take care of your stuff, and we'll take care of you. Franny's pals helped her clean. The band made it feel fun, clearing trash, boxing games. And when they were all done, well, they played in her room. It was shiny and clean. Her friends played ukuleles. Fran played tambourine. So now what about you? Do you fling all your stuff? Are you careless with things? Do you pick up enough? Pick a note from a bird showing care is the way. Take good care of your things and your buddies today. Let's take a look at our draw and discuss. It's Franny. Meet our outgoing, messy friend, Franny the Flamingo. She loves dancing, hula hooping, and rocking out with her pals. Talk about it. How did Franny take care of all the things in her room? What helped Franny realize that taking care of her stuff really matters? Live It Up Challenge. 5-minute pickup. Is your bedroom lost in a jumble of junk? Set a timer and see how many things you can put away carefully in 5 minutes. Remember, flinging things is for the birds. And here are 4 steps of how to draw Franny. Have fun and make sure to check out Better to Give and See More Good hiding somewhere in this book. And scan right here at the member portal for more fun.